Meet the MATelec Australia surface socket range. One sensible range, 4 smart options. Need the everyday go-to? Need 2 outlets? Working in tight spaces or chasing pure install speed? There's a sensible option for that. The everyday performer. Fits through a 90mm cutout, clean snap-out entry, captive screws, clear rear cover so you can see inside. Simple, reliable, repeatable. Same system, double convenience. 2 outlets, 1 clean install. Everything you like, just more of it. Tight space, retrofit job, or small downlights? The Mini Master fits through a 70mm cutout. Smaller footprint, same solid performance. When time matters, the Quick Connect steps up. Tool-free Quick Connect wiring. Strip, insert, done. Built for high volume installs and consistent results. Standard, double, mini, Quick Connect. 1 sensible range, 4 smart options.